Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock REALME P3 without the password. Okay, in the beginning I will tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Also, we have two methods how we can do it on our own, and for the first method let's pretend that this phone isn't locked. But basically each step that I'm going to perform for the first method you need to repeat on any other device, because this one will be locked. But for the second method we normally use our device. So let's begin with the first method. We are going to use a Find Hub to remotely erase the data on our device. Also, I will tell you that for both methods we have to erase all of our data, so we will lose everything unless we have a backup, so we'll be able to restore. But if you don't have a backup, I'm sorry, you'll be forced to erase everything from your device. So let's begin with the first method. Open the browser on your any other device, and also for this method your device needs to have Find Hub feature enabled in its settings. If it doesn't have, don't worry, we still have the second method. So we need to open up the Find Hub, type Find Hub, click the first link. Also you need to log into the same Google account on which you are logged in on your REALME. As you can see, here it is, our REALME. We need to click on that. That's the feature that I was talking about, allow device to be found. So we can see it. Now click on the devices. Currently I cannot click on the REALME because I'm using it, so for example I'll show you that on the LG. Simply click on that, and in here you will have option to factory reset your device. You can also click on the settings button, and in here we have the factory reset method. Simply click on that, then type your password to your Google account, and if you do everything properly your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method, and now let's go with the second one. So now in the second method we normally use our device, just like I was talking, and now we cannot remember our password and we cannot unlock our device. And what to do now? We are going to use the recovery mode to erase all of the data, and thanks to that we will turn off the screen lock. First we need to power off our device, click the power button and volume up at the same time, and now select power off. And now our device has been turned off. Now to enter the recovery mode we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and the volume down button until at the same time until the recovery mode launches. So keep holding both of the buttons. Keep holding. And now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu we can use the volume keys. If you want to confirm the selected option, simply click the power button, but we can always use our fingers as well. So now we need to select format data. Remember that you will lose all of your data. Type this code using your keyboard. Now click on format. Data formatted. Hit on OK. And now within a second the device will be automatically turned on, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.